Hi dear, welcome to ES Spoken English Production. Today we are going to do a very important lecture. Kids, get ready for that. We are going to do about some vegetables. The first word is carrot, that is GAJAR. What? Carrot. Radish. What's that? It's MOOLEE. Radish MOOLEE. Tomato, and that one is an American accent, tomato, and the other accent, that is British one, is tomato, that is tomato, tomato, tomato or tomato. The third one is lemon, lemon. Fill up your tongue for saying it. Lemon, limu. The next word is garlic, lesson. You know the lesson, that is garlic, garlic. Cauliflower or cauliflower, that is gobi ka phool. Phool kiska? Gobi ka. Kya? Cauliflower. Cauliflower or cauliflower. Beetroot or beetroot. Chakandar. Bottle gourd or bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd. Ghiya kaddu, ghiya kaddu. The next word is bitter or bitter gourd. Bitter gourd, bitter or bitter, bitter gourd. Karela, karela. The next word okra, bhindi, tori. Onion, piyaz, onion. Brinjal, that is, you know what? Just guess. It should be none other than, but I should say it as Brinjal. What's Brinjal? Bangan, 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 Brinjal. The next word is turnip or turnip. Turnip, turnip. Sholjam. You know sholjam, sholjam. Like Belgium, it's sholjam. The next word is cabbage. Band gobi, band gobi. This word is peas, peas. Mutter, same as butter, that is mutter. Green peas, mutter. Garlic, lesson. Cucumber, khira, khira. Cucumber, khira. This word is potato, 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 potato. AALOOW, AALOOW, AALOOW. Bean, green bean. Lobia, lobia. Spinach, spinach. PALAK, SAAG, SAAG, PALAK, spinach. That one is very interesting one. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Shimla mirch, shimla mirch. Lettuce, lettuce. Salad ka pata. Ginger, ginger. ADRAKK, 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 ginger. Maize, makkei, makkei. That was a set of the vegetables for you. That's all for now. Thanks for being with you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment what you want so that we could do something for you. Bye bye. Kids, have a good day. Love you.